Hi everybody, this is Neal Bertrand. I'm the owner of Cypress Cove Publishing. I have written 3 cookbooks and I've published a total of 13 books. This one here is Down Home Cajun Cooking Favorites. We have a bunch of Cajun recipes in here, and what I want to do today is go through this pronunciation guide to Cajun food names, because there are a lot of people that are mispronouncing these recipe names. So here we go. The first recipe name I want to talk about is called andouille, and it's a type of Cajun sausage, and you can read more about it in the book. Next we have a word called au gratin, and this is a cheese coating on top of a meal, so you can have an au gratin on different types of meals. So the correct way is au gratin. You have to roll the R, au gratin. The gras rhymes with bras, and the N on the end of T-I-N is silent. So it's not au gratin, it's au gratin. Next we have beignet, which is you can call it a Cajun donut. So beignet. Next we have crawfish bisque. Crawfish bisque. Next we have boudin. It is not boudin, it is boudin, and the N is silent. Boudin. Next we have Kush. Kush. This is I call it a Cajun cornbread, and I grew up eating that, and it's very good. Next we have this word here that you may think it would be pronounced court bouillon, but it's coubillon. Coubillon, and the N is silent. It is not coubillon, coubillon. Cracklins or gratons. The gras in graton rhymes with bras. The ton rhymes with gon. The N is silent. Graton. This is pork bellies. Next we have croquettes. Croquettes. A croquette is something that is coated in, say, cornmeal or something and fried. Étouffée, not étouffée or étouffée, it's étouffée. Fricassé, fricassé, that is a stew. Jambalaya, or jambalaya, basically the same thing. Jambalaya. Lesore de Cochon. Lesore de Cochon. The N on the end of cochon is silent. Cochon, not cochon. And this is a tasty French or Cajun dessert. It's a pastry, and the picture here shows some syrup poured over this. This is a delicious tasting pastry. Lesore de Cochon. And it translates into pig's ears. Has nothing to do with pigs or any part of a pig. Corn makshu. Makshu. Maltons. It looks like mirlitons, but it's pronounced Malton. The N is silent. This is a vegetable pear used for stuffing, for different kinds of stuffings. Next we have pain perdu. Pain perdu. Pain is bread. Perdu is lost. So it's lost bread, or could be called French toast. Pate de foie gras. Pate de foie gras, which is liver pate. Now here's one of my favorites that gets me upset. pecan pralines. Pecan pralines. Not pecan pralines or pecan pralines. Pecan pralines. The next is roux. This is a picture of somebody making a roux. Sauce piquant. Sauce piquant. Not piquant or picante. Sauce piquant. Tasso. Tasso. You can read it in my book what they use tasso for. They use it as a seasoning for different dishes. And last we have yam pie de Louisiane. Louisiane. So please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.